everyone. Today we are beginning with the chapter Money and Banking. So first I will give you a brief account that what is money. So money is something which we use on a daily basis, and money is something which is a requirement of every person in this modern world. And as everyone needs that money, but only there are only few people who can define it properly. When we ask someone in layman language that what that person means by money, then that person might say that it's the cash which that person has, or the money in the bank account which that person possesses. But actually that is not the correct definition of money, but yes, it is the most alternative definition of money which is being used. And money does not have any value in itself, and it is something which can be used in exchange to buy something. And it is basically the currency notes or the entry in the bank account, right? So first we are beginning with the proper definition of money which can be written in the examination. So money is something, so money is anything. Try to remember it. Money is anything which is generally accepted as a medium of exchange. Money is anything which is generally accepted as a medium of exchange. That is, it can be exchanged for getting something in return. It is a store of value that we can store as a value, that is, we can store it as our asset, and it is a measure of value as it allows us to measure something, and it is being used as a means of standard of deferred payment. That is, we can use it for making a payment which is not to be made at the time when we are doing the exchange. And money covers all such things like currency notes, coins, checks, etc., which are used to conduct a business transaction or settlement of a business claim. So we will recite it once again. Money is something which is generally accepted as a medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, and a standard for deferred payment, and a means for standard of deferred payment. And money is referred to coins, currency notes, checks, etc., which can be used to conduct a business transaction or settlement of a business claim.